Planning a trip to Istanbul? Then there is one thing that will make your life a lot of easier: the Istanbulkart. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know: what is it, how to get one, and how to top it up step by step. So, what exactly is an Istanbulkart? It's a rechargeable public transport card used across almost all of Istanbul, including metro, trams, buses, and ferries. Instead of buying single tickets every time, you simply tap the card at the entrance. The fare is automatically deducted and your remaining balance is shown instantly. If you are traveling with more people, the card can be used for up to 5 passengers. Just tap it multiple times, once for each person. Let's start with how to get one. You can buy the Istanbulkart at metro station, tram stop, ferry terminals, and major transport hubs across the city. First, at the bottom of the screen, select your language. We are choosing English. From the menu, select Buy Istanbulkart. On the left side, choose the option to purchase just the card. Next, select your payment method. You can pay either with cash or by card. Now, choose how much credit you want to load onto the card. We are selecting 200 Turkish lira. You will now see a summary: 200 Turkish lira loaded onto the card. The card itself costs 165 and the fee is 12.78, making a total of 377.78 Turkish lira. Confirm the transaction and the system will prompt you to pay. Once the payment is completed, the machine will dispense your card, already loaded and ready to use. You can also choose whether you want a receipt. Now let's take a look at how to top up the card. Again, start by selecting the language. Then choose Top Up Istanbulkart. Place your card on the reader and keep it there until the machine recognizes it. Once recognized, it will display your current balance. In our case, 30.42 lira. Select the option to top up by card and choose the amount. We are adding 200. Confirm by pressing OK. You will now see a summary: 200 lira top up, a 7 lira fee, total 207 lira. Confirm again and proceed with the payment. On the screen, you will see the message: your transaction is being prompted. Do not remove the card. Wait until the process is completed. Once finished, you can remove your card. The machine will show you new balance, in our case 230.42 lira. One more important tip. Around Istanbul, you will find two types of machine where you can buy or top up Istanbulkart. One is dark blue with large screen and the other is light blue with a yellow frame and a smaller display. Be careful not to confuse them with the similar looking machine from PTT. These machines do not sell Istanbulkarts, only PTT cards, which are not a good option. They don't work on some metro lines, and on others you may end up paying more, so it's best to avoid them. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and guides like this. Bye.